Good morning, class. Our lesson for today is all about solving problems involving quadratic equations. Quarter 1, Lesson 6. Alam ko, lahat sa inyo nahihirapan pagdating sa problem solving. Pero don't worry, step by step natin ang pag-answer at pag-process nito. Who needs help in math word problems? Don't worry, kaya natin to. The concept of quadratic equations is illustrated in many real-life situations. Problems that arise from these situations, such those involving area, work, profits, and many others, can be solved by applying different mathematics concepts and principles previously studied, including quadratic equations and the different ways of solving them. Kaya, simulan na natin. Number 1 problem. A rectangular table has an area of 27 feet squared and a perimeter of 24 feet. What are the dimensions of the table? Pag sinabi nating area, class, it involves multiplication. Kasi remember nyo, ang area of a rectangle is just equal to length times width. So, ang area natin, ang product ng length at saka ng width is equal to 27. Pag sinabi naman nating perimeter, it involves addition. Okay. Perimeter is just equal to 2 length plus 2 width is equal to 24. Pwede nating masimplify ang perimeter natin, divide both sides of the equation by 2. So, ang perimeter natin magiging length plus width is equal to 12. Area is the product, perimeter is the sum. Ano kayang factors ng 27 na kapag minultiply natin, of course, will give us 27, at kapag inad naman natin, will give us 12. Those numbers are 3 and 9. 3 times 9 is equal to 27 and 3 plus 8, 3 plus 9, is equal to 12. Ito yung equation natin. Kung halimbawa, given ang product and given ang sum. It was been discussed sa sum of the roots and product of the roots. So, iyan na. Kung meron tayong 27 na product, that would be the C over A. At ang atin naman sum is negative B over A. Our final equation or the standard equation is now x squared minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. X squared minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's find the dimensions of the table. From previous slide, nalaman natin na ang factors are 9 and 3. The quantity of x minus 9 and the quantity of x minus 3. If we're going to equate them sa 0, masosolve natin na x is 9 and ang isa pang x is equal to 3. Therefore, the dimensions of the table are 3 feet and 9 feet. So 3 by 9, 3 by 9 feet. The dimensions of the table are 3 feet and 9 feet. Actually, class, kung magaling talaga kayo sa sa factoring, given the equation, pwede na natin kaagad mag-guess kung ano yung roots. Kasi may 27 tayo, di ba? So, mag-iisip ka lang ng factors ng 27 that will give you 9, that will give you 12 kapag inad mo. and that is 9 and 3. Since na parehas na negative, negative 9 or x minus 9 and x minus 3. Pero pag inequate na natin sa 0 yan, yung negative 9, ang inverse niya, final answer will be positive 9. Ang inverse naman ng negative 3 is positive 3. So the dimension of the table are 3 feet and 9 feet. Okay, let's proceed to question number 2. An amusement park wants to place a new rectangular billboard to inform visitors of their new attraction. Suppose the length of the billboard to be placed is 4 meters longer than its width, and the area is 96 meter squared. What will be the length and the width of the billboard? So again, area pa rin to. So, multiplication pa rin ang mangyayari dito. Pero meron tayong bagong nakita rito, yung 4 meters longer than its width. So, pag sinabi natin 4 meters longer than, ibig sabihin, we are going to add 4 sa ating length. Okay. At ang ating area is 96 meters squared. Let x ang magiging width of the billboard at ang x plus 4 naman, length ng ating billboard. So, yung x is the width, yung x plus 4, length, at ang area stated in our problem is 96 meters squared. So, we will multiply x times the quantity of x plus 4. So, we will have x squared plus 4x. At ang 96, from right side to left side, magiging negative 96. X squared plus 46 minus 96 is equal to 0. Let us factor x squared plus 4x minus 96. Ano ang factors ng 96 that will give us positive 4? Ang factors niya, 12 and negative 8. 12 times negative 8 equals negative 96. 12 minus 8 equals positive 4. So factors are x plus 12 and the quantity of x minus 8 is equal to 0. Equate natin para ma-solve natin ang x. So x will be negative 12 and x is now positive 8. So we have roots na negative 12 and 8. The equation has two solutions, 8 or negative 12. Now, the question in our problem is ano ang length at ano ang width ng billboard. The width of the billboard is 8 meters and its length is 12 meters. Para may check, tingnan natin dun sa value ng x. Kunin natin yung positive. X is the width of the billboard, which is 8. X plus 4 is the length of the billboard. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, again, the width of the billboard is 8 meters and its length is 12 meters. I hope naintindihan nyo based dun sa presentation natin. Our last example na tayo, number 3. The length of a rectangle parking lot is 2 meters more than twice its width, and its area is 40 meters squared. Find the length of the parking lot. Let x ang width ng parking lot at ang twice plus 2, which is the 2 more than twice. 2 more than twice its width, ang length ng parking lot. Of course, ang area natin is 40 meters squared. Hanapin natin ngayon ang length ng parking lot. Multiply lang natin yan. So, x times the quantity of 2x plus 2 is equal to 40. Magkakaroon tayo ng 2x squared plus 2x is equal to 40. Write in standard form. 2x squared plus 2x minus 40 is equal to 0. Nag-factor ako dito gamit ang tic-tac-toe method para makita natin ang kanyang mga factors. So the factors are 2x minus 8 and x plus 5. Let us now solve for x. 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X now is equal to 8 over 2, which is 4. At yung isa naman is x equals negative 5. Let us check our answer. Dapat ang gagamitin natin dito pag nag-evaluate tayo is yung positive value ng x. Ang may positive dito is 4. So, hahanapin natin ngayon ang length ng parking lot. Based dun sa given natin, ang parking lot, ang length niya is twice, 2 more than twice its width. So, kung ang width 4, ilan si length? So, substitute natin yung 4. 2 times 4 plus 2. 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 meters. Ang kalabaon ng parking lot is 10 meters. Try nga natin kung magpo-40 yan. If the width ng parking lot is 4 meters, so 4 times 10 is equal to its area, which is 40 meters squared. Therefore, the length of the parking lot, class, is 10 meters. Yan. Sana naintindihan nyo ng malinaw ang simpleng example natin ng mga word problem. Okay, goodbye class! Thank you class! Always remember kahit anuman kahirap yung subject natin, kung constant ang ating practice at willing tayong maka-learn, everything will be possible. Always remember, without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Goodbye, class, and have a good day.